I recently came across this style of videos, and these videos are getting millions of views every day. And the pages are making thousands of dollars from this style of video. And right in this video, I'm going to show you a practical step-by-step method on how you can create this video by yourself. Before we go ahead to create this video is of two types. We have the cleaning video like this example showing on the screen, and then we have the construction type like this one showing right here on the screen. For us to get started, we are going to be using this website called Higgsfield. Higgsfield gives you access to different AI models, meaning you don't have to go from one website to another to use different models. They are all embedded on this website. Now let's go on to the website and get started. When you get to this website, this is the interface you are going to see. For us to begin creating our video, we have to create an image. Go over here where you see image, and from here you can see different things you can use this website for. We have the Nano Banana Pro Sedans 4.1, ChatGPT 1.5. From this, we are going to be using the Nano Banana Pro, so just click on that. So you can see these are different images I've created using this website. We are going to begin with the cleaning video. To have a good prompt to use, you have to go to ChatGPT and type in this prompt: image text prompt for a dirty abandoned interior of an apartment. But if you are creating this for a different video, let's say an image of a poolside, then you have to ask ChatGPT to give you an image prompt according to the kind of video that you want to create. Now, copy the prompts ChatGPT gives to you, and then you come to this website and you paste in the prompt.
After entering in the prompt, then you click on Nano Banana Pro here. Make sure that is being selected. And when you select that, you select the aspect ratio of the video you are going for. If you are going for a vertical video, then you need to select 9:16. But for this video, I'm going for the 16:9 aspect ratio. Cool thing about this website is that it gives you access to 4K quality images. You can click on 4K quality here to get access to that. Then after that, you come here and click on this generate, and your image will be generated just like this. So this is the result of the image that I got. So we are going to come down here, click on this plus sign. So this time around, we need to attach the dirty image that we just generated, and this is the image. Select that image, click on open to upload the image. Now the image is going to be uploaded. After uploading your image, come down here and then you paste in this particular prompt. I want a renovated, modern and luxurious version. Maintain the same hall, just clean it and renovate it. What we are trying to achieve here is for this AI to maintain the same building structure. Everything is going to be the same, but then renovate the building. So after that, you click on this generate option, and your image is going to be generated. So this was the result I got from that. So now we are going to go ahead to convert this image into a video. So at the side here, you will see this particular option called video. So click on video and then click on create video right from here. So from here, you can see these are different videos I have generated using this website. So on the left hand side here, this is where you can change your models. So you need to change your model before you start generating your video. So come down here where you see model, click on that, and these are different AI models you can pick from. So with just a single subscription, you have access to all these different models: Hingfield, OpenSora 2, Google View 3, One AI, Clink AI, Minimax Halo AI, and Sedans AI. So these are top AI models that you have access to. So for this, you are going to be using the Google View. So from this, you select Google View 3.1 first. So select that, and after that, you can then see the start frame here and also the end frame. So from the start frame, you are going to upload the first image, which is the dirty image. So this is the image. Click on open. Now you click on the end frame to upload the clean image, that is the renovated building version that we just generated. So now we have our end frame and we also have our start frame. So the prompt you are going to be using is very important. So I'm going to be providing this prompt at the end of this video for you to have access to it. Okay. So from the bottom area here, I'll just paste in the prompt which I'm going to be using. Then we have multi-shot mode. But for this multi-shot mode, we are not going to be using it for this video. Let's assume you are creating a video whereby you want to have multi-shot, then you can enable the multi-shot mode there. So now come down and select the quality of your video. You have access to pick from 720 resolution or 1080p resolution. I'm going to just leave it on 1080p resolution. Then for the video duration, you have 8 seconds, 6 seconds, and 4 seconds. Then click on generate and your video is going to be generated. And here is the result of the video that I've gotten. Now let's proceed to the next type of this video, which is the construction video. So we are going to go back to Nano Banana again on this website. From here, I'll paste in the prompt I want to use to generate this image. So now you can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to provide you an image prompt for any kind of building of your choice. Now I've gotten my prompt and I'll go ahead to click on generate and my image is going to be generated. Now after my image is done generating, I'll proceed. Now we need to click on this plus icon here to upload the image that we want to use. After uploading that image, in the prompt area here, just paste in this particular prompt. I'm saying remove the house but keep the landscape exactly the same. Basically what we want to do here is to remove the house on the landscape and keep the land the same, so that when we are going to do this transition, it's going to give us a cool result. So now after entering that, go ahead and click on this generate option and you are going to get this particular result. You can see that the building has been removed but the landscape still remain the same. So after getting that, we need to now go back to the video section. So from here, click on start frame to upload your first frame, then click on end frame to upload the second frame. Now after that, come down here and enter in this particular prompt. So like I said, I'll be providing you with this prompt at the end of this video. I'll just enter in that prompt. Now I'm going to come down here, do all the necessary settings here. Then I come here and click on this generate, and after some few minutes, you're going to see this video result.
So this is how you generate this style of video. Very easy and very simple to generate. I've left the link to this website in the video description of this video, and also the prompt that I used in this video is also going to be in the description of this video, so you can quickly use that and start creating your video. I'll see you guys in my next video.